Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We have this lovely BMW 2 Series Sport. And it's got a few modifications to the bodywork, as you can see. It's got a nice little bit of extra sill there. Got the upgraded double spoke diamond cut alloy wheels. Nice rear spoiler. Different exhaust system. It's got rear park distance control. Really is a nice bright looking car. Great value for money. Different wing mirrors. Inside the car, got electric windows. Seats are all lovely and tidy. Just on 109.31 miles. We've got satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone prep, media pack, DAB radio, 6-speed gearbox, different driving modes, Eco Pro Sport, centre armrest with an aux and a USB. Really is lovely. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.